just coming from here, and here is this part of the building. And formerly here has been the classic cars and the DER and so on. But now this is the service, the repair shop of Lamborghini. And well, at least we can say we can also see some cool Lambos here. This is a nice Lamborghini, not sure what model it is. So let's walk further. It's an SVJ and what's an Aventador. Ah, interesting. Well, I'm not so familiar about these Lambos, as you can tell. And here's another one. This is something. Probably that's also an Aventador. That's how I am remembering the Aventador. At least I believe that's an Aventador. So what is it? LP 780. But let's see. Yes, it's also an Aventador. So now a little look to the. Oh, there's a Countach, the modern one. Also very interesting, anyways. So and here a Lamborghini Gallardo, the Spider, and here Lamborghini Urus. Another Urus, looking more powerful than the other one, for sure. And here, oh, totally loving these. I know the Performante is even better in performance, but the STO is looking much better with these air vents and everything. Super nice, super nice. It's the Huracan, by the way. Lamborghini Huracan STO. Lamborghini Urus or Urus, I don't know how to pronounce that in English, if you're actually pronouncing it in English. So, well, but here, another look to the repair shop, Lamborghini Countach. Oh, an amazing looking car. And the green Aventador is also looking stunning. Oh, so many great cars. And they're also protecting privacy, so they're always removing the license plates when they're putting the vehicles into their repair shop. So we can have a nice look and people are happy. Maybe not proving their cars, but yeah. So this one here is really a totally stunning color. Wow. So and here some more Lambos. Very interesting, absolutely interesting. So and here is the booth of Rammstein used cars. So and here, wow, the Lambo. Don't know what type it is. So far this hall. Now we're getting to the next building and just walking through. So maybe there's no music playing, then it's easier for me, because otherwise I have to mute a lot of stuff. By the way, that's the event. Why I'm here, or was here, because the event already has ended. Some cool sculptures, and I'm already hearing music again, so maybe I'm just running through and maybe trying to do some post. What is it called? It's the audio correction at the end. So what is this? Oh, it's from a Mercedes-Benz 170 DS. The chassis. That's also something that you do not get to see all the time. So it's from this car here. Lovely Mercedes-Benz. Here are also the glass boxes for the real cars. Stunning car. It's a Dino 246 GT. Here they're writing Ferrari. Well, this wasn't badged as a Ferrari. Never ever. If you're remembering the TV series The Persuaders, or Die Zwei in German, then this car was part of it. Tony Curtis was driving it. This was his business car there. So here are some Porsches. Here are some just more exclusive cars, some more expensive cars. So here's a Ferrari. What is it actually? Very cool, at least 512 So I guess it's the predecessor of the Testarossa. So wonderful. Here a Volkswagen Golf Mark II. Didn't expect something like this to find here, but yeah, it's standing here in the motor world. That's running with one human power, so nice barrel on 4 wheels. Super cool idea. So here's also a cool Ferrari. So it's a Ferrari 458 Speciale. And well, I'm staying here on the ground because I've noticed at the V8 hotel that my knee doesn't like stairs. So probably I need to get a surgery, I don't know. I've yet not been at the doctor's. BMW M5 competition. Maserati. So well, you can find also some very cool exclusive car dealerships here. So still interesting to see this, and having a different opinion now compared to last year when I was here, because there was a lot still closed and nothing to see, but now we're seeing definitely more stunning Maserati. Definitely the shop for Mark, as I can tell. Oh, very cool shirt, but unfortunately not my size. Some cool fashion with the Golf logo. So what do we have here? I'm remembering that. Oh no, I'm not remembering that, but it's very cool. It's also a rare sight. Oh, the Carmangia back there. Oh, nice, nice, nice. It actually has changed a little bit. Lamborghini Urus. Nice old petrol station. Porsche 911. Oh, we have some cool stuff here, I must say. BMW 3 Series. Also very cool. And here the cool view. So they've changed the arrangement here in the inside, which is a great idea. So here they're also selling some cars, as it's looking like. Some Mercedes-Benz W124. How much is it? Just curious, about 6,800 euros. It's looking like a pre-facelift. Very original. Very original. So what is it actually? A 230E. So here's an airplane, scale 1:2. This here is a real one. So and here a Volkswagen Golf Mark II, another one. So Boston, very amazing, huh? And here a little look through the bimmer. Here's an Aston Martin DB12 Volante, British sports car that you also do not get to see quite often. But here once again the jet, super cool. AMG Mercedes C-Coupe DTM, so German Touring Master Championship. So Ferrari Portofino, also amazing. So what is this? Another Ferrari. Must be new here. It's looking like the one from outside that we have seen. Porsche 911, 991 GT3 RS, and here a Speedster. Super cool. Super cool. Another one of these Ferraris. Oh, take a look at this. This is a wonderful color. Absolutely amazing. Red metallic paint. Always stands off. So what else do we have here? Still Ferraris. Also here stands Mercedes-Benz 170S, but probably it lost its body and only the chassis is left. STO, yeah, Huracan, perfect, great. A McLaren, so a Bentley Continental GT. Here's another flying spur, I would say. And here's the Bentley Gaia, or Benta Gaia. Oh, well, I cannot remember how it's actually called. But it's their SUV. And here, Lamborghini once again. A yellow machine. Which one is that? I've totally forgotten about that. I also seem to have some early... What's a Huracan? That must be as well. I guess I'm getting the Alzheimer's soon. British Racing Green. Such a stunning color. It's the black edition. Super nice. Here the flying spur. Surprisingly, it's looking like this part here is in black matte and this is black gloss. Oh, what is this? A Ferrari, a Lamborghini, of course, but I don't know which model. It's a little bit dusty. Lamborghini. Amazing. Oh, that's a nice color in gold. Super amazing. But I'm not going inside there because it's also looking like no one is there. So here, nice Bentley. But here, this is my favorite generation of the Bentley Continental. It's actually already an old generation, so the previous generation of the current one. But I'm totally loving these. These are the most beautiful ones. Just, at least in my opinion. So while this is already the new generation, so with the wider taillights split in the middle, that's something that I don't like. So well, this has been my update about the motor world. I could have tried also to ask the people at Bentley if it's allowed to film there, but as far as I'm remembering, this dealership doesn't like it so much. But maybe they have also a different policy now. And yeah, anyway, I hope you liked this little update. And yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to a classic car show, at least if my knee allows me to do that. And so let's see each other again, or well, depending if you, my subscribers, are also on this classic car show tomorrow in Schönberg. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.